Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So if you want to add a Instagram filter to a photo or a video that is there in your phone gallery, then in this video I will show you how to add an Instagram filter to an existing photo that you have in your mobile phone. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to use. So here you can see this is my account. I will select any photo here. So I will select this photo. Now click on this filter icon and select any filter that you want to use. So you have to keep it in a saved folder of saved list of filter. So I have saved all this filter. So here you can see whichever filter you like you can use. Click on done. Then you can save this photo. Okay, so this will be saved to your phone gallery. Thanks for watching this video.